Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yasin Arafat. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we are talk about one-time pad algorithm. I think you all watch my previous video, because if you don't watch my previous video, then you need to little bit harder to understand this algorithm. That's why I'm requesting you to watch my previous video first. So let's begin. So one-time pad algorithm, if you understand one-time pad algorithm, you need four things as like my previous video. The three things is two equation. One is the sequence of A to Z, and the fourth one is key value. So what is C is equal to P plus K? If you watch my previous video, then you understand it, because I don't explain it here. This is the key value. You need to understand the key value. Key value is here is alphabet or sentence, not any number or special character. There is only alphabet or sentence. If you understand it, then you understand all of this algorithm, I think so. So first of all, we need to convert plain text to ciphertext. So that's why we need a equation. The equation is C is equal to P plus K, and my plain text is apple and key value is elephant, and now we need to convert it. So that's why I write it down. Apple, each box have one character, APPLE, and the sequence number of A to Z is A means 1, P means 16, P means 16, L means 12, E means 5. I think you all understand this part. Now I need to add my key value. My key value is elephant. So this is the elephant, and now we need to convert it as a number, sequence number, A to Z. The number is E means 5, 12, L means 12, E means 5, 16, 8, and so on. Now I need to use this equation. The equation is C is equal to P plus K. This is the P value and this is the K value. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. That's why I am writing here 6, 28, 21, 28, 13. But I don't write this part of key, because we don't have any plain text for this key value. That's why I ignore it, and you also ignore it. Now we need to convert it as a character, but here we see 28, but we have 26 character, but here we found 28. That's why we need to convert it under 26. That's why we need some calculation. This calculation is, you see here, when we calculate it, we found 2. How is this possible? Now I explain it for you. This is the value, and now we understand the process to 28 to 2. This is the process. 28 divided by 26. 26 why? Because total alphabet is 26. That's why I am dividing it with 26. We found 1.0769. It means 2. That's why I am use here 2. Here the 2. And what is the value of this number of character? 6 means F, 2 means B, 21 means U, 2 means B, and 13 means M. This is the ciphertext of Apple. I think you all understand that. Now we need to convert ciphertext to plain text. So this is for your homework, because I can't explain it here. If you watch my previous video, then you can understand easily how to convert ciphertext to plain text. And if you can't, then comment below. I will show you in my next video. So now we understand the code for one-time pad algorithm. So you see the code. Every code start from main method. So my program is also start from main method. And I think you all understand this part of this part of code. That's why I can't explain it. I explain only the encryption and decryption part. This part is also, I think you know what is the part of this code means. This is the user input, and now you need to understand this part of code. Here is if condition and else if condition. The condition is if the key length is less than the message length, then we call this method. And the other condition is if the key length is greater than message length, then we call this method. And what is this method? The method is repeat key to match length. If our key is short, then we repeat it, and when our key is long, then we cancel sum of keys or delete sum of keys. That's why I use this method or create this method. In this method, the parameter is key. What is the key value? I input the key value, and this is the length. What is the length of this key? And here the repetition. The length plus key length minus 1 divided by key length. This value stored in this variable, and this variable convert is a character or something like that. Key dot repeat the value, ASCII value, and this is the character, and this character subtract to the length, substring 0 comma length. This is the part of this conversing or repeating the key value. I think you all understand it. If you can't understand, then comment down. I will explain it again in my next video. This is the if condition part, and this is the lowercase message lowercase, message to lowercase, and key dot to lowercase. I convert it for my convenient, and this is the array. I store it this array length is the key value length. If key value length is 5, then it store only 5 character. This is the for loop. This for loop you see in my last video. The for loop start from 0, and the length limit is key length, and every time it's going 1 by 1, means 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is the formula. This is the message dot char I, means this character ASCII value is here, minus a ASCII value minus key dot char I ASCII value minus a ASCII value. When we convert it or use this equation, we get a ASCII value. This ASCII value is stored here, and now we need to check it. This ASCII value is less than 0 or not. If the ASCII value is less than 0, means minus 1, minus 2, then we need to add 26, because the total alphabet in English letter is 26. That's why we need to add 26. And then int is a data type, x is variable, and plain I means here have a ASCII value, and here the a ASCII value. We plus it means sum it, and here the print value of x, and here the char. This char use for the ASCII value to a character conversion. I think you all understand this. This is the part of decryption, and now we need to understand the encryption. This part also same, and this part also same, and this is the same loop starting from 0, and length is key length, and this is the equation. The equation is little bit different, and the different is this part. In decryption we use here minus. See, here we use minus. In encryption we use here plus. I think you all understand that. And the other thing is the here is we use a if condition. The condition is if this ASCII value is greater than 25. Here 25, why? Because we start here from 0. 0 means 0 to 25 means 26. That's why 25. If the value is 25 greater than 25, like 30, 31 or 26, then we subtract 26, because of total value of total number of alphabet is 26, and store here. We work here use ASCII value, not any other thing. So this is the ASCII value of this index character, and this is the a character of ASCII value. We sum it and store here. We convert it, use this string dot value of char x, and we use also this part of code. Now we need to run it and show how it's work. So select one option, encryption or decryption. I choose encryption. Here I use Apple, and I use my name as a key, and This is the encryption value, means this is the ciphertext ENTLW. Now we use as a decryption ENTLW. ENTLW, and the key value is my name. Boom, this is the apple. I think you all understand that. So that's it everyone. I think you all understand that. If you can't understand any part of this video, then comment down. I will try my best to explain it again in my next video. So that's it. Assalamu alaikum.